Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can change your email ID in Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see it's the home page of Hilokal. We need to go here. You can see the right bottom corner on the screen. You need to click here. The option is here. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see your profile page, and then you have to click here the pencil icon. It's called edit option. So simply click on pencil. So once you click pencil, scroll down a little bit, and here you'll see the option I email. So this one, it's email. Okay, so simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you have to uh, put your another Gmail, and after that save it. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.